My name is Eric Goldenberg, and I'm your moderator in your next crossover series, Microsoft 365 session. I want to make sure that you have a good understanding about what this is all about. So I built these slides to guide you through. We will help you understand how to build new subscription services based on Microsoft 365 in a way that accelerates your business, drives growth and profit in partnership with Microsoft. We will do this over a 2-day agenda, which includes an introduction, of course, business essentials around Microsoft 365, business dynamics, scenario settings, and business value proposition. We will also drive through pricing, go-to-market, and operations in a combination of in-workshop, everybody watching the same presentation, as well as breakouts that you will be able to hold within your own company in a private mode. We'll use a very simple yet amazingly valuable tool that will help simulate price and cost, gross profits, your profit and loss, and will help you do this using a multi-account approach, different segments and different size companies, as well as multi-year, which is an easy and accurate tool that will save you a lot of time and drive you to precise results. And the workshop is not the only step. We will guide you through, follow through in partnership with Microsoft PDMs, reviewing your advances, helping with any barriers you might find, and helping you come out and liberate your hero solution in market as soon as possible. Lemon Operations does this in partnership with Microsoft. We have extensive experience throughout the world delivering multiple workshops, helping companies such as yours drive innovative technology solutions. And as you know, every champion needs a coach. We would like to be that coach and would very happily want to welcome you to the workshop sessions we have. Thank you very much. Goodbye.